Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make my easy apple pie without butter or shortening. Not only does this pie taste delicious, it doesn't require any special kitchen appliances to make it. So let's get started. To a bowl, add 3 cups of homemade pastry flour. I'll leave the link below to the recipe. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk to combine and set aside. In a large measuring cup, add 1 cup of cold milk and a half a cup of any neutral oil of your choice. I'm using safflower oil. Whisk until fully incorporated and then pour it into your flour mixture. Using a fork, mix until you form a dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions, then wrap one of your dough discs in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge. Sprinkle some flour on a piece of parchment paper and place your second dough disc, covering it with another sheet. Roll out your dough until it's about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Roll the dough onto your pin, then transfer your dough onto your pie plate. Run a knife along the edge of your pie to remove any extra dough. Then refrigerate while you make the filling. Take 3 pounds of Granny Smith apples and chop them up into 1-inch chunks. Then add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour. Mix until all the apples are coated and there is no more flour on the bottom of your bowl. If you are using a sweeter apple variety, you do not need to add any sugar to the apples as they are already sweet. Repeat the process of rolling out your second dough disc and transfer it onto your pie. Trim off the extra dough and press the edges of your crust with a fork, or you can also flute the edges if you prefer. Brush with milk and sprinkle with some sugar, avoiding the edges of your pie. The milk helps the pie turn golden brown as it bakes. With a knife, poke holes and cut out a piece of dough from the top. This will help the pie release steam as it bakes. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes or until golden brown. I recommend using a pie shield to prevent the edges from overbaking. Cool to room temperature before slicing to set the filling. This pie is light and flaky with a tender crumb. It's everything a pie should be. So get in the kitchen and start baking. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.